So, Larry,
Yeah,
it's like you
got
bought
a
a
house.
house down here in
Yeah,
Arizona. You came from Iowa,
yeah.
Waterloo area. So, why Arizona?
Uh, well, obviously the weather is a lot of it. But my wife feels better when she's down here. We've come down multiple times over the past 10 years, and every time she leaves, she doesn't want to leave because she feels better. So it's really a health thing. And, you know, it's November 12th and it's 85 degrees and blue sky. So can't beat it.
So, tell me a little bit about your experience through the whole buying process coming here.
Sure. We had met Steve maybe about a year or two ago at a previous open house, and when it came time to my company offered relocation, I called Steve up, and well, you helped us out. You started learning, the kinds of things we wanted in a house, and started sending us listings. And I stopped looking at them because they were selling so fast, but we knew we were never going to get it. But when we finally got down here for good, we spent I think 3 days. Just we looked at about 10 houses a day, and you kind of were zeroing in on what we were looking for, and we found this house, which I think we're just gonna love. And it's pretty. I won't say painless because there were some long days looking at 10 houses a
Oh
day,
yeah,
and some interesting experiences along the way
yeah,
that I won't mention here. But we had a great experience, and looking forward to closing on this house so we can start enjoying it.
yeah. Oh, I think you are. It's beautiful. Such a up here. So, congratulations.
Thanks.
All right, thanks.